Hey guys and girls, listen up. We're going to be painting this nice, beautiful purple door. We're going to be painting in a gray. Follow along. I'm going to bend down. I've got exactly a little bit of paint, about a ½ inch of paint in here. I want to dunk, and slap. Let's come over here and apply the product first. Apply it to the inlay right here. Turn your brush, go sideways if you need to. Apply the product first. Dunk your brush, tap. Let's apply the product first. Okay, let's apply it. Now let's feather over the inlay. Feather around here. Dunk your brush. Apply the product first. Dunk your brush. Apply the product first. There you go. Put some graining of the brush in there. Do the inlay. Okay. Do this piece. Okay, turn your brush sideways. Let's do down here the bottom header. Notice how I'm not touching this piece of trim. Follow along, do what I do. Okay, dunk your brush. Okay, let's feather over this. Bring our side rails down a little bit. There you go, you guys got this, you girls got this. Pretty simple once you know how. Okay, let's do the other side rail. See that? We're just gonna brush everything up and clean it up. Okay, this one's done. Okay, you're gonna have to stand up, apply the product first. Okay, apply it, feather it off. Let's move on to the next panel. Apply the product first. Do the flat portion of the panel, apply the product first. There you go, now feather it all in. Easy peasy. Do your middle piece, your cross piece. Let's do the cross, go all the way down. Now we're gonna do the cross piece. Hail Mary. Tap it over here, see how I do this? I don't swipe down with the brush, tap it, okay? That way there's no paint in the mechanism. It's not dripping, running, or sagging. Okay, let's finish off this. Easy peasy. Notice how I'm not touching that piece? Okay, stand up. Let's do the last two. Apply that product first. Apply it first. Okay, let's do this. We're going to go up and down, leaving the grain in there. See the grain? Now you're going to feather your inlay, see? Now you're going to dunk your brushing, start in the next page. You're going to continue on with the panel. Apply the product first. Now we're going to feather in the brush strokes. It looked like real grain. Okay, do your cross piece. Now we're going to do the cross. Hail Mary. You guys got this. You girls got this. You're getting good at it. Now we're going to do the top header. Notice how I'm not touching it? See that? Okay. Finish this right here. Let me get in here and show you how you would normally cut the hinge in. You just let the tip of the brush do the work. There you go. Okay, that door is almost done. Take a look. Not too shabby, huh? Let's finish this. Finish off your side rail. Bend down, get this. Outstanding, look at that. Okay, let's get some graining on here. Finish this off with a nice stroke. Bring it down now. You want to leave the graining in there. Finish off this one. I'm not touching these pieces. See how I'm not touching it? Very good. Let's check out what you just did. Not too shabby for your first time. Okay, let's check out what you guys just did. Pretty good. We're gonna leave that just like that. It's coated perfectly. We're gonna check out where the drips happen. See where they happen right here? Right in this area, so you're gonna have to check your work. Don't touch this piece of trim. Notice how I'm not touching this one. I wanna leave the graining in there. It tends to drip right here in the corner, so we're gonna wanna check those. It also drips here. We want to check our work. Put the shine on that nice trim. You painted that all by yourselves. You guys and girls are getting good at this. We gotta check this little drip here. See it right there? It's right there. See the little drip? We're just gonna go like this, and it's gone. Check it out here. One drip there, and one here. Okay. Not too shabby for your first time.